Greeting, beautiful friends. Welcome back to the garden. I am showing you guys some little mangoes is already forming right there on the mango trees. That mango, that's the first time she's holding that much mango. And she's underground. I hope I can pull her out when I'm moving. I'm not planning to leave anything, guys. And that mango tree, I got her, I think, for 20 something dollars a couple years ago, 5 years or 6 years ago. And now look at how many mangoes I'm having from her. Oh my God, she's giving a lot of mangoes. And of course, what I'm doing now is watering them because I never have chance to come all the way right here, guys, on this section to water those mangoes trees. I'm trying to keep them alive, but I know it's not an easy task, guys, to keep all that fruit trees alive by myself. And they in pots. And while I'm working so many hours, my schedule are changing. Yes, really, really, really. I'm not gonna say bad for a good reason. One day I will come and telling you guys how many doors God been open for me. Oh yes, I will come to showing you or telling you guys my story. But right now I'm trying my best to keep them alive, guys. Thank you so much for helping me. Sorry. For helping me growing this channel, guys. Thank you so much. So very much. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you make all those efforts to download those videos, nobody watching it is not helping. But I saw a few of you guys coming and watching. That's really helping, guys. Thank you so much.